Hey, welcome back to the channel where I teach you how to be your own boss using websites, service apps, or just how to find your own hustle and start your own business and start working for the man. Work for yourself, make extra money on the side. So if you like that type of content and if you're interested, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You got to subscribe to the tribe to know how to ride. Click that notification bell because I'm here all the time, at least once a week, with these great videos on how to earn extra money and be your own boss man. So we're here with a great company called Hello Tech. Hello. And I actually went through the process of applying. I'm on the wait list. They're going to get back to me. But let's see what this company is about. And let me go back home. So let's see if we can go there and go the long route. So Hello Tech, I found it just by Googling work for home driver positions. I saw another YouTuber make a video about it as well. Very interesting. All he was doing was going around hanging TVs for customers. Great time of the year, Christmas. After Christmas, everybody bought new TVs. Going into the NFL playoffs and Super Bowl, everybody wants those TVs hung up. So you can be a tech support driver, and people call you. I think they pay about $60 to hang a TV. Or if you're on the other end, you need a TV hung, you can call Hello Tech, hello, and find somebody to hang your TVs or do any tech service that you need. Now, I have a IT help desk break fix background. So this is kind of interesting to me, doing computer repair services, Wi-Fi networking, hooking up printers, installing new RAM, installing new hard drives, re-imaging computers. It's right up my alley. So I will definitely try this out once they call me back and let me know. So here's some of the services you can do: TV mountain, smart device hookup. I can even work from home over the phone and show them how to hook up smart devices, thermostats, Nest, things of that nature. Now let's see, become a technician. Here's the part you guys are interested in: becoming a technician. So become a technician, earn an average of $100 a day. Why join? Great money. Set your own schedule. Be your own boss. That's what we love. We love to hear that. So if you can do that, then that is a great way to make extra money. Setting your own schedule, working your own hours, and the flexibility. That's what the new economy is about. Flex gigging, not being tied down to a desk, one location, but making things happen and still getting paid. So you complete your application. That's what I did, and they are probably going to send me an assessment test to make sure I know what I'm talking about. I don't know how to mount TVs, but I do know, computer support, Wi-Fi support, smart home, tablet support. So I'm going to do all those things. And should I need to learn how to mount TVs? Yes, it's a good service as well. So you need to be 18, have a reliable transportation and a smartphone, pass the background check, have insurance, and I don't see anything about drug testing, you guys. So background check is needed. You're going to be going to people's homes, so they don't want you to be a violent felon. Probably anything like that. Maybe a misdemeanor could get you up in there, but anything with fraud or violence or maybe drug related, you probably would not be hired. They want you to be professional. They provide you with a T-shirt. So when I applied, they asked me for my shirt size, which is cool. Not sure if that's going to come out your check or not, but this is something you can do on your own time, on schedule. I'm going to cut this video off now, but until next time, be your own boss. Try Hello Tech, hellotech.com. Get started with a simple application process. All right, guys, later.